finish this website. I, I will be honest right now. Um, I'm not feeling great about myself, about my progress. Really thinking about give up. I'm hating this website right now. Hating so much. I feel like this is garbage, and I have to get rid of this project cards. I'm not gonna do something like this. I'm aiming to do something simpler like this. So this is a page where I ask Figma AI to generate. Figma AI generate this in like 2 minutes, and I'm spending a lot of hours on this simpler website that make me think that I should give up, man. Not give up, but I don't know. I think I feel like I'm wasting my time with software development nowadays because everything seems like for no reason, You do things that with no purpose. That's what I mean. Nowadays, software development is not something hyped anymore. They are saying that it's useless, kinda useless. Knowing all this, knowing about programming and building software, I don't think so. I mean, what was a good run? Was a good run, you know. I mean, when I started, it was really fun. I did a bunch of stuff that I enjoy. I work in companies that I have good memories, good challenges, but I think that's it. That's the end of it. And I still coping with this feeling of I don't want to stop doing it, but also I'm not good at it. I'm not good at it. If I was good at it, I was I would be able to finish this website quickly. Like one day. But I overthink too much, and then I stopped, and yeah, I'm driven by my mood, you know, driven by my mood. Just if I'm not feeling like it, I don't do it. I don't have this kind of discipline. I don't have this focus towards my stuff. When I have to do something for other people, like for companies, they are paying me and they have a deadline, I can deliver it. I can do it for sure. I do even more. This in January, not January, December, I take a, I took a freelance, so I deliver a lot, even more than I work in 1 month something that I didn't work for myself in 2 years, like in my application. So when it comes to my stuff, I don't have this discipline. I don't have this focus. Yeah, always. I'm not compromise. I always compromise. I never understood this phrase, compromise. It seems like you're not acting the way we should. Compromise. See, you didn't do it the thing you're supposed to do. But from in Portuguese is that this doesn't have the same meaning. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So right here, I have this. page. I'm hating so much this. Look, this is stupid. I don't know. I don't know why I'm hating this, but I am. Look, this is something that I don't like it about this responsiveness, this bug, and this is again waste of time. This page is kind of done. I did. I tried to put a image here, but I didn't find any image, my images that look good because I'm ugly as fuck, and that's the best I can do. Like this egg, seems like a fucking brown egg. that's this is the best I can do. This is the best I can show people who I am. So this is the part that I'm hating the most. This card, because I mean you have this mock up here, look really nice, but I don't have any project that I can show off like this. I don't have any freaking app. So what I am in is something that this lines over here. Just the name, a placeholder like this, and like I said, Figma generate this stuff in a first run, like 2 minutes, 1 minute, and AI, man, AI is just much better than us. That's the reality. That's the tough reality. I mean, if you have knowledge about HTML and CSS, HTML and CSS, JavaScript, you're good, to use AI because it just will speed up a lot of your process to build stuff. And you don't feel like an imposter. But when you have no knowledge at all in some technology, and especially web technology, that's the most common technology out there. It's a lot of. I think this is the biggest the technology that people talking about, and we have projects, and AI is well trained with this with the web. So when you don't have a lot of knowledge on it, this is my case, it's overwhelming. It's just overwhelming. You feel like why I don't give up and just use the shit to build my stuff and focus on the things I'm proficient in, have proficiency in it. But the thing is, I have a huge problem on this because I have this I have this desire to control things. I have the desire to understand how things work. That's stupid. If you stop to think about it, you don't need to know every detail of the things, but I don't know, man. I feel like for my website, I should know this. I should know how my website was built. I should know how to at least make changes on my own, without depending on something that generates stuff that I don't understand, I fully understand. That's what I mean. That's why I never liked low code stuff or no code stuff. Nowadays, vibing code stuff. Trust that LLMs are generating the best output, and just trust, and use it. I don't feel comfortable doing this. That's the problem. I don't feel comfortable because I'm using in my field, Android development. I'm using Claude. Claude generate good stuff, but sometimes bad, really bad stuff, depending on how you describe your needs. So you need to have some proficiency on the stack you want to work with. So the stack that you want the AI help you with, in order to really know how to delegate work and pick up if needed. Because sometimes you will have to pick up that work. will make so much more time to explain what you want than you do yourself. That's what I mean. So that's why that's the problem with AI when you use and with technologies that you don't understand, because you cannot help it. You cannot help out. You cannot review anything. You don't fully understand what's going on. So that's why I'm trying to build my own website. Despite AI is way faster and way better than me doing this. But that's my huge conflict. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm depressed. I'm overthinking about a lot of stuff. I mean, should I keep up with this? And meanwhile, my app was broken. The app that I used to track my bills, payments. I didn't show you my app yet, but you can see it somewhere here. I have the repository. So my app is just the price. Here's my app. So yeah, the login screen is not like this anymore. But yeah, my app has we have a good run in this app. Good run. How much time since I make a commit? 2 months ago, main branch. Yeah, 2 months ago without any commits. But that's it. I'm trying to publish this Google Play and at App Store. And yeah, App Store is requesting this web page in order to, let me create my, not in order to create my account, but join the program. In order to join the program, the developer program. Enroll, this is how they say it. Enroll the developer program as a company, because I had to join as No Word Code LTDA Limited. I have this company, by the way. I'm a PJ worker. This is what we say in Brazil. PJ contractor. It's just like I'm a company. I'm not a former employee. I'm just a company. This is the name of my company. But yeah, so I have to fucking finish this. Hi, I'm no word coder. Yeah. Experience. This is not experience. Let me change this shit already. It's skills, not experience. So I have to go over here really fast and say experience title. Simple as that. So another thing that I'm doing, I'm using Vim motions, trying to use it, but it's not that good. Title, explore. So title is skills. Explore my skills. And another place that I have to change this is in the top nav bar and the bottom of bar as well. I think I have a bottom of bar somewhere. Yes, I do. It's over projects, experience, yeah, skills. Oh my god, this is what I'm saying. It's really hard to skills. I will keep experience ID, but I will change this later because this is really bothering me. I think it's this is also, I want to blame this on my autism. This is how we say it. I'm saying. I think it is autism. I want to blame this.
autism,
Autism. Autism.
autism,
Yeah, y'all want to blame this on my autism. But I feel like this is just excused. Like, I'm just so, yeah, it's autism. Or, okay, okay, buddy. Hold on. Stop being bitch. Something in my head says to me, stop being bitch and explore my skills. Is this good? Explore my skills. Android development, 12 years. I don't like this. I'm hating so much. This card is the thing that I'm hating the most. Actually, this one, but this is the second. Second. I mean, this is better, I guess. I don't like this either. I don't like this either. Front end development, fuck that shit. Let's keep like this. And I'm not sure if I will keep the years here. I mean, it's my skills, right? Android development. I can remove this. So many things to change here. So many things. I don't know. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I'm trying to finish this, but I cannot do it. Like, I cannot focus and finish this. Oh, let's see. So the next step is this part over here, projects. I have to change this card. So I want something like this. But I also like something like this. This is another page that I found on the Discord showcase. This is Discord for Kobweb. Kobweb Discord, not just Kobweb, as you can see. I don't know. I'm not well, too familiar with Discord, but I think this is are the subjects, like the groups, I guess. So we have Kobweb, we have this caller, and then this True Trotish. Trotish. I don't know how to say this, but there are a lot of groups here. And one of them, and then they have this, I think this is a thread or a channel. It's like they call this channels. So we have this channel over here, showcase. And then I found this one over here, this dude, Binay. But people are sharing a lot of, they work, with Kobweb on pages and up on pages. Some pages are pretty simple like this. Technology should serve humanity, not other way around. At Kindred Labs, we're building system where intelligence and conscience involve together. Conscience, conscience. Our mission. Yeah, this is good. This is context. Yeah, I like this. It's pretty simple, and then they have this published already. That's it. But yeah, I'm just aiming to perfection. So this is a good. I think this is one that's better. Like this. Look, I like this version better. Simpler. I don't need any freaking image, and I don't need a bunch of buttons. Just, but I don't know if this is gonna look good. I mean, let's try to. I will try to do this one, this version over here. Okay, we'll try to do this one instead of that shit that I. That card is garbage. So let's take a look. This version looks good. Let me take a print screen on this. So this is projects. I could use a card like this. Let me see how, because look, this is a list, right? This is a list, so this already look good in the small screens. So a little description about the project, technologies used, and the title, the name of the project. This is good enough. And then if you hold and then you click it, you will be redirected to the page of the app because this person over here has a bunch of apps, like two apps published already with some downloads and stuff, and they have a good screenshot page. Even though the app's simple, looks good, man. I don't have this. Oh man, so jealous. So fucking jealous. I'm a fucking loser, man. I feel like a fucking loser. I feel like a loser. Oh my god. This is what I want. I want to publish my app. Just you have a link and click. This is simple for a lot of people, but not for me. That's the thing. That's the thing. It's look easier for so many people. Just get the thing done, publish, ship faster. Ship faster. It's really hard to say ship because it sounds like chip or cheap, ship, shit. It's the same sound. It's just a little bit changes in the pronunciation, but ship faster. Ship faster. Ship, ship, sheep. Sheep, the animal. Sheep, the like deploy stuff. English, also another thing that is hard. But nowadays I'm kind of more used to make mistakes in English. I'm less stressed about it. I just make mistakes and I don't care because since I started working with international companies, American companies, actually, I noticed they don't give a fuck about your accent. They don't care about what you're saying. They just want you to get the things done. They really care about you understanding what they are saying. That's the thing. But if you if you're not very good in speaking or articulating your thoughts, they don't really care. They will say to you too, "Oh, send me a message." You know, let's let's deal with this offline because they know you struggle a lot to express yourself with words, so they will let you do via text. That's why how I feel about working with Americans. They really don't care about things you're saying. Look, my responsiveness. That's, I don't know, man. I think I'm overthinking too much in this web page. Seriously, I'm overthinking. I just do simple cards. Let's do this. Let's do this. A card with a description and I don't know. I don't know, man. Let me try this. Let me try. What I'm gonna do here is a mix because I don't think my layout looks good like this. I don't think my layout will. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe will because my page is this look good because he has a maximum. I think this is a maximum width. Look, it has a maximum width, so everything is scratched together. But just like here, just like this page over here. But as you can see, they have this nice nav bar that stay in the page. So this must be a box inside of, and then you have this row over here, not row but column, and elements here. I think that's it. This web page is open source, so I could just take a look and see how he's building this and do it. I can also open this project. Open this project in my computer and ask Claude to generate stuff for me. But this will be the same. I will not have the knowledge on my own. and I will be delegating stuff to AI that I don't fully understand and I'm not capable to do by myself. And I feel like I don't know, like, I feel like shit. I mean, if you keep delegating stuff and why are you doing this in the first place? You know, why are you building? I don't feel like I'm building anything. I feel like I'm starting, becoming a manager, and this is not what I like to do. So I'd rather change careers, change path, and start doing other stuff to live, to make money. If it's still possible to make money, because I'm consuming so much shit on the internet that all my view, all my mentality is shift in this place where nothing good will happen. Not optimistic, just negativity, just viewing stuff. I'm just view stuff or viewing. I'm looking at, I'm seeing everything looks bad. Everything looks like nothing good will happen. And that's the view that this is the way I'm looking at the world right now. But I think this is because I'm consuming so many shit. And when you do things like this, it's hold on is wait is I'm just finished here and I will be with you. You have to understand because English is very important. English is very important. Hold on, just a minute. No, I will go with you. Let me finish here my thoughts a little bit, just a little bit. Give me 1 minute just to finish my thoughts. Make my point across. Get my point across. Thank you. So what I would say is the way I'm looking at the world right now is pessimist. Pessimist. I think this is the word. And this is not good. I have to stop. I always say this, but I will keep saying I have to stop consuming so many shit on the internet. I have to stop consuming so many shit on the internet. Like, it's just like, is that's really bad. Really bad things. You have to stop it. Make your mind stop working correctly, and you lost all your willpower to try to fight for things that you believe because you stop believing in everything. That's how I feel about it. But anyway, I have to change this. I believe I will try to do something like this. I don't think my layout will look good on this because, like I said, the guy over here has a maximum width. I could have a maximum width for sure because my layout will be much much better with a maximum width. Look, this is not merging. This is like the screen you know, is how to say this in English. I don't know how to say this in Portuguese. Uh, Short. Yeah. It's thinner. Oh my god, I hate so much. Oh god. Wait, just let me do this real fast, real fast. Remind me. Uh,
The screen is thinner.
Thinner, thinner,
The screen is thinner.
thinner. That's what I'm saying. But that doesn't sound correctly. But whatever. My screen is thicker. Thicker. No, 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 not in Portuguese, man. Oh yeah, so I have to go to Chrome because Safari doesn't work correctly.
The
Just
screen is thicker.
thicker, yes, thinner and thicker. Okay, that's what I'm saying. But anyway, I will be back later because I have to. I have to. No, no, just the last one. I had to take. I have to take to. I had to take my son to a party. That's what I have to do. So I will be back later. Bye bye.